This is a video tutorial on how to use Seesaw if you are a student. Today we're going to be focusing on three things: how to log in as a student, how to navigate through the activities panel, and how to check the announcements. Here we have the Seesaw home screen, and you can see there are three options of logging in: teacher, student, and family member. For this specific video, we are going to focus on I'm a student. Click on this and it will prompt you for a student sign in. Now your teacher would have provided you with a document that looks very similar to this. Step 1 and 2 just show you how to get into the app like I just showed you, and step 3 is where it tells you that you can scan this QR code here or you can enter in the text code. To scan the QR code, you will click Scan QR Code and hold that code up to the screen. And if you are entering the text code, this is where you will enter it, right here. And you will click Go. Once you have logged in, you will notice that your name pops up here. That means you have correctly logged in to your Seesaw class. To the right side, you will notice your Seesaw class name here, and then below you will see three tabs: the Journal tab, Activities tab, and Inbox tab. I'm going to go into detail about each one of those. Firstly, we have the Journals tab. The Journal tab is an option for students to share and post work that hasn't been assigned to a set activity. You can see that I have already added something into my student journal. Over here it says waiting for teacher approval. It will always require the teacher to approve the task before it shows up on the Family Seesaw app. If you would like to share some work to your student journal, you simply click on the +Add button. Next, I will draw your attention to the Activities tab. Before I click on it, you will see that there is a red button with the number 4 on it. This is to let me know that there are 4 new activities that have been posted. So I'm going to click on the Activities tab. Just below, you will see 2 options. Class Activities is where you will find the list of all the activities that your class teacher has set for you to do. Waiting for a response means that the set task is still waiting for you to complete it. It is almost like a checklist. So as soon as you complete them, it will no longer show up in your Waiting for Response tab. Different activities can be added by the teacher throughout the week. In the next tutorial video, I'm going to show you how to add a response to a specifically assigned activity. When you click on the Inbox tab, you will notice 2 subheadings: Messages and Notifications. Under Messages, you will see Class Announcements. To the left of that, you will see a thread of messages from your teachers. These are announcements just to remind you of certain things. It could be to check your school bag app, it could be a reminder to bring something or to do an activity, or even just to check in with how you are going. Recently, you may have noticed the class announcements have had links to the Zoom meetings that you've been attending. So this class announcements panel is just for you to keep in communication with your teachers. You will be alerted when a new class announcement has been made, but it is a good idea to regularly check the class announcements panel at least once a day, just in case your teacher has communicated something to you. If you come back up to the panel on the right, you will see another tab that says Notifications. Once you click on that, it will be personal notifications to you. Mostly this will consist of your teacher liking your post or commenting on your post that you share. It also lets you know that your work has been approved by the teacher and can be viewed in the family journal. I hope this tutorial has helped you understand how to log into Seesaw as a student and navigate your way through the student journal, activities panel, and the inbox with the class announcements.